Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here with us again. If you're struggling with a fatty liver, your risk of developing blocked arteries is significantly higher. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the worst foods that contribute to both fatty liver and clogged arteries, and some of these may surprise you, as they're often labeled as healthy. We'll also cover a few foods and one particular oil that scientific studies have shown can actually reverse fatty liver disease. And if you're a coffee lover, stick around until the end for a surprising discovery about coffee and its relationship to fatty liver health. Fatty liver is becoming a major issue worldwide, with alarming increases reported since 2019. While it's normal to have a small amount of fat in your liver, anything over 5% can be dangerous. This condition often goes unnoticed because the liver is such a resilient organ. Even with up to 90% of the liver being damaged, it can still function well enough to go undetected, which is why it's called a silent killer. Unfortunately, by the time symptoms show, the damage may already have progressed to cirrhosis, liver failure, or even liver cancer. So today, we'll look at the worst foods to avoid, along with healthy foods that can protect your liver and improve your overall health. 1. Alcohol. Now let's discuss the worst thing for fatty liver, alcohol. Alcohol isn't just another harmful food, it's a bona fide toxin. The liver is our body's primary detoxifying organ. When we consume alcohol, the liver sees it as a toxin and immediately prioritizes its processing over other tasks. While this might seem like a good thing, your body is trying to protect you. After all, the issue lies in the burden this places on your liver. The continuous effort to metabolize alcohol can cause inflammation and scarring, known as cirrhosis, which severely impairs the liver's ability to function properly. This condition is a common precursor to liver failure and cancer. But that's not the only way alcohol harms your liver. Remember, alcohol, especially certain types like beer and sweet cocktails, are high in sugar. In other words, alcohol is a double whammy for the liver. It has to work twice as hard, first to eliminate the toxin and then to manage the sugar rush, which accelerates fat accumulation. Even moderate drinking can have these effects, but heavy or chronic drinking is especially dangerous. 2. Processed foods. Processed foods are, quite simply, a perfect storm when it comes to fatty liver disease. They encompass the worst aspects of everything we've discussed so far, combining high levels of refined carbohydrates, hidden salts, hidden sugar, and toxic oils. But the damage doesn't stop there. Processed foods often contain additives, preservatives, and other chemicals designed to extend their shelf life and enhance taste. They are Frankenstein foods, and our bodies aren't prepared to deal with them, leading to inflammation, cell damage, gut problems, and other negative effects. Furthermore, a dark secret of the commercial food industry is the bliss point. The bliss point is a term used in food chemistry to describe the optimum level of sugar, salt, and fat that makes us want to eat more. This makes processed foods highly addictive, leading to overeating, cravings, and unhealthy relationships with toxic foods. This means weight gain, low energy, and disease. All in the name of profit. 3. Sugar. When it comes to fatty liver and blocked arteries, one ingredient causes more damage today than any other: sugar. When you consume sugar, it's broken down into glucose and fructose. Glucose is first used by the body's cells for energy, and any excess is sent to the liver. Meanwhile, fructose, the kind found in high fructose corn syrup, is primarily processed in the liver. This means that your liver is facing an onslaught anytime you consume sugar. And again, any excess is turned into fat around the abdomen or in the liver. At the same time, if there's too much sugar floating through your blood, it can trigger a number of harmful processes, contributing to atherosclerosis, increasing insulin resistance, which leads to diabetes, and damaging nerves in the arms, legs, eyes, and heart. Artificial sugars like high fructose corn syrup are even worse. These are found in many sodas, fruit drinks, candies, and hidden in unexpected places like breads and cereals. High fructose corn syrup is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream and delivered straight to the liver, causing a surge of fat production. 4. Fast food oils. Fast food chains are notorious for using the oils we just discussed because they're cheap and convenient for high heat and fast cooking. But what's even worse is that these oils aren't just used once, they're often used repeatedly throughout the day, which intensifies the harmful effects. Each time the oil is heated, it oxidizes more and more, creating a dangerous cocktail of chemicals, including aldehydes and lipid peroxides, which flood the body with harmful free radicals. These free radicals contribute to oxidative stress, damaging cells, tissues, and organs, leading to inflammation and increasing the risk of various chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Moreover, fast food meals are typically made with cheap and inflammatory ingredients while being low in fiber and essential nutrients. The combination of unhealthy fats, refined carbohydrates, excessive sodium, and added sugars in fast food can quickly contribute to fat accumulation in the liver and lead to liver inflammation, further worsening fatty liver disease. Frequent consumption of these meals not only harms liver health but also disrupts digestion, contributes to weight gain, and raises the risk of metabolic disorders. Therefore, limiting fast food intake and opting for healthier, home-cooked meals is essential for protecting your liver and overall health. 5. Virgin coconut oil. The study, titled Virgin Coconut Oil Reverses Hepatic Steatosis by Restoring Redox Homeostasis and Lipid Metabolism in Male Wista Rats, actually found that coconut oil reversed fatty liver disease in rats. While this is an early study, it shows yet another potential benefit of coconut oil, suggesting that virgin coconut oil could be a useful dietary supplement against fatty liver disease. Additionally, virgin coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are more easily digested and metabolized by the liver compared to long-chain fats. This makes MCTs less likely to be stored as fat and may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, providing an advantage for those dealing with fatty liver disease. Moreover, coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, which can support gut health, a key factor in reducing inflammation that contributes to fatty liver. The health of the gut is crucial for overall liver function, as a well-balanced gut microbiome can help prevent the leaky gut syndrome and reduce liver inflammation caused by the translocation of bacteria and toxins. While these findings are promising, more human studies are needed to confirm its effectiveness and safety for long-term use. As with any supplement, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially for managing chronic conditions like fatty liver disease. 6. Healthier cooking oils. So stay away from these toxic fats and cook with healthier, less processed options, especially olive oil, which contains monounsaturated fat and has been shown to be particularly beneficial for protecting against fatty liver disease. Now, saturated fats are often broadly demonized when it comes to heart and liver health, but a 2018 study found some surprising results. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants like polyphenol, which help reduce oxidative stress in the liver. These antioxidants also combat inflammation, a critical driver of fatty liver disease. Moreover, studies have shown that regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil improves insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate fat metabolism and prevent fat buildup in the liver. For best results, it's recommended to use olive oil as a dressing or for low-heat cooking to preserve its health benefits. 7. Unstable vegetable oils. And many vegetable oils aren't much better. These include popular oils like canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, cottonseed oil, sesame oil, grapeseed oil, peanut oil, and walnut oil. These highly refined oils are unstable and vulnerable to oxidation, leading to cell damage and a cascade of damaging effects throughout the body. When these oils are heated, especially during cooking, they oxidize quickly and produce harmful compounds, which can trigger inflammation and damage to cells, including liver cells. A number of studies are now recognizing the problems with these oils. For example, the 2018 study titled Omega-6 Vegetable Oils as a Driver of Coronary Heart Disease identifies vegetable cooking oils as a major culprit for today's epidemic of inflammation and cardiovascular disease. This excessive intake of omega-6 fats, found in these oils, can upset the balance between omega-3 and omega-6 fats in the body, contributing to chronic inflammation, which is a major risk factor for fatty liver disease, heart disease, and other serious health conditions. To minimize the harmful effects of these oils, it is recommended to opt for healthier fats, like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, which are more stable and have proven benefits for heart and liver health. 8. Toxic oils. And surprisingly, this includes some oils that are often promoted as healthy. First, let's start with the worst of the worst, trans fats. Often found in margarine and shortening, these fats are artificially produced through a process called hydrogenation, which makes them more stable and gives food a longer shelf life. However, trans fats are a nightmare for the body to break down, causing fat to accumulate in the liver as well as inflammation that can lead to tumor formation. Trans fats lead to the formation of toxic compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which damage the lining of arteries, causing them to harden and get blocked. These AGEs not only increase the risk of heart disease and stroke but also contribute to a variety of other health issues, such as diabetes, kidney disease, and accelerated aging. The harmful effects of trans fats extend beyond the liver and arteries, negatively impacting nearly every organ system in the body. Reducing or eliminating trans fats from your diet is crucial for long-term health, as they provide no nutritional benefits and can lead to serious health complications over time. Always check food labels for trans fats, even in products marketed as low-fat or healthy, to ensure that you are making healthier choices for your liver and overall health. 9. Too much salt. Like high blood sugar, issues also arise with excess sodium from salt. A high-sodium diet is linked to a range of health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. But did you know it can also contribute to fatty liver disease? Research has linked high sodium intake to increased fat accumulation in the liver, even in the absence of overeating or weight gain. This is particularly concerning because sodium doesn't just contribute to fluid retention and high blood pressure, but it also directly impacts liver function. This effect is thought to be due to the inflammatory and fibrotic effects of excess sodium on liver cells. High sodium levels may promote liver inflammation and encourage the development of fibrosis, scarring of liver tissue, both of which are significant factors in the progression of fatty liver disease. Over time, this can lead to more serious liver conditions, such as cirrhosis or liver failure, especially if other risk factors like obesity or excessive alcohol intake are present. To protect your liver and overall health, it's essential to monitor your sodium intake. Try to stay within the recommended daily intake of sodium, which is less than 2,300 milligrams a day, about a teaspoon, or follow the guidelines of your healthcare provider. Reducing processed foods and choosing fresh, whole ingredients can help lower sodium consumption and improve liver health. 10. Refined carbohydrates. Our last food group that causes fatty liver is refined carbohydrates. When we consume them, they break down into glucose rapidly. Although our cells need glucose for energy, when we eat processed carbs, our system gets flooded with too much of it, and the body has to compensate by transporting it to the liver for storage as fat. This excessive intake of glucose overwhelms the liver's capacity, leading to fat accumulation within the liver and contributing to the development of fatty liver disease. This causes a problem when we eat too much of any carbohydrate, but refined carbohydrates are particularly bad. Refined carbohydrates like processed grains have had their fiber-rich outer layers removed, which means they are rapidly digestible. These include foods like white flour, bread, pasta, and white rice. Without fiber, they are quickly converted into glucose and absorbed into the bloodstream, causing blood sugar levels to spike and increasing fat storage in the liver and around the abdomen. The lack of fiber also reduces the feeling of fullness, leading to overeating and further weight gain, which exacerbates fatty liver. High blood sugar, particularly from refined carbohydrates, also triggers inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body. This chronic inflammation damages arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and other metabolic conditions like insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. For individuals at risk of fatty liver, reducing refined carbohydrates and replacing them with whole grains, fiber-rich vegetables, and healthy fats can make a significant difference in liver health and overall well-being. Regular physical activity, staying properly hydrated, and being mindful of your diet are all essential steps in supporting your liver's overall health. These lifestyle habits not only improve liver function but also promote well-being throughout your entire body. Remember, even common over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen and acetaminophen can have a negative impact on liver health when used too frequently, so it's important to take them only when necessary and always follow dosage guidelines. Incorporating liver-friendly foods, such as leafy greens, fatty fish, and healthy oils, while cutting back on processed, sugary, and fried foods can significantly improve liver health and help prevent liver damage over time. Taking care of your liver is one of the best things you can do to maintain your overall health. By making small, consistent changes to your daily routine, you can prevent more serious conditions from developing down the line. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and expert advice on protecting your liver and keeping your body in optimal shape. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the best foods for supporting liver health, including some surprising options you might not have considered. Stay tuned to learn how to incorporate these powerful, liver-friendly foods into your daily diet to boost your liver's ability to heal and regenerate naturally.